was looking like a fool when I met ya, all covered up in the dirt from my past.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day as usual. In today's video, I have another little tiny unboxing. So as you know, I recently unboxed the YSL medium Lulu bag and I love it. And around the same time, I had made a little purchase from Farfetch. I had a coupon code, so I ended up getting 10% off. I just got a little something, but I had been wanting an item this particular color, and I'll show you what it is when I do unbox it, but it's just something little. Like I said, I couldn't resist because coupon codes don't really come along very often, but they did have one for 10% off, so I had to take advantage of it. Unfortunately, that coupon code is since expired. However, if there is another coupon code like that, I will be sure to let you guys know so you can take advantage of the offer as well. But I have to tell you, one thing that I usually do when shopping for luxury items is I always go to Ebates or Rakuten. It was Ebates, now it's Rakuten, and you can get a percentage off. So a lot of times what I've found, let me give an example. Let's say you go to Saks Fifth Avenue and they're having their gift card event. Like you spend a certain amount and you get a gift card. Well, in addition, they'll also have like 10%. I've even seen 12% cash back. So not only will you get a gift card for purchasing the item, but you'll also get a percentage back depending on what it is on the website that day. So if you guys are online shoppers like me, I would highly recommend signing up. I will put the link down below, but they have tons of retailers like Sephora. They have Farfetch. I think Farfetch might only be 2%, but if you're making a big purchase, that can really add up. So again, this is in no way sponsored by them in any means, but I just thought I would share my tips on shopping because I like to buy luxury items, but I also like to feel like I'm getting a little bit of a deal. So I like to take advantage of gift card events or coupon codes or cash back. And it's nice because every quarter they will send me a check. So usually I'll get like a couple $100s every quarter, which is nice. I just put it into an account, and that's the account that I kind of use to purchase luxury goods. So now that that's out of the way, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure to hit that little subscribe button. And if you want to see what I picked up from Saint Laurent, then keep watching. Okay guys, so like I stated before, I bought this little item from Farfetch. I had never purchased anything from Farfetch before, but I looked into it and they have a huge selection of luxury items. So from Saint Laurent to Gucci, and what they do is they have the collection and they basically choose from a lot of different boutiques. So they have a huge selection, especially of Saint Laurent. They have the Saint Laurent medium Lulu in the light color that I wanted. They have it in the black. They have envelope bags. They have anything you could want. So I'll put the link down below, so make sure to check them out. But I did pick up this little bad boy right here, so let's get into it and then I'll kind of tell you a little bit of the details. So it comes in this box. I haven't looked at it, so I don't know what it's going to look like in person. It comes with the authenticity cards like you usually get. Comes with the little Saint Laurent dust bag, which is great. I always hold on to this in the event that I do want to resell the items. So again, comes in the dust bag, and the item I am referring to is the Logo Plaque Card holder, and this is in light pink. I don't know if this is going to pick up on camera, but this is the prettiest baby pink. They had a little tiny card holder that I thought about getting, but I was like, you know what, I want to get kind of like a different style, and let me tell you what I had in mind for this. So first off, let me show you what it looks like. So it's this beautiful baby pink, and if you didn't want this style, they have the card holder, they have a little wallet, they have like a longer wallet, which I actually thought about getting the longer wallet because you know that I have the larger one in black and I love it. Such good quality. But anyway, so check it out. They have a lot of styles, but this is a beautiful baby pink. It comes in the pebble leather. One thing I love about Saint Laurent is the leather is so durable. So it has silver hardware, and then on the back here, this is what I love. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get 5 credit card slots there, and then it has this little opening here. So you can either use it for cards, or I thought what you could do is use this for coupons or gift cards. So in my purse, I like to kind of have a place for everything, and I don't like to just throw things in there. I like to kind of stay organized. So you guys know I like to have a different thing for my gift cards, or something different for my receipts, or something different to keep my coins, and I just like to stay organized. It's just how I am. So I thought what I could do is use this specifically for gift cards. I could put gift cards here, and then I could put coupons here, or you could use it for receipts. It's up to you. Or if you didn't want to do that, you can put cash in here. You can put major credit cards and your ID here. I just thought that it was an item that is really functional, and I don't have anything like it. I don't have anything in this baby pink color. I don't have anything that is just like this. So I was really excited about picking it up. I had never shopped from Farfetch before. The experience was really, really good. I got my item within a couple of days. Actually, today is Wednesday, and I ordered this item on Saturday, so it only took a couple of days to get to me, and love the color, love everything about it, and I just love how unique this is. So yeah guys, I'm really excited. Again, it's just a little tiny unboxing. I will be sure to link this bad boy down below, and then I'm also going to link other items in this color that I had my eye on that I thought were really, really pretty. But make sure you check out Farfetch, and make sure that if you shop online that you go through Rakuten, because I am all for like treating yourself to luxury goods, but I'm also all for saving money. You guys out there, you work hard for your money. I work hard for my money. I don't want to just blow it, and I want to kind of save it where I can. So keep that in mind when shopping. So the name of this item again is the Saint Laurent Logo Plaque Card Holder, and this is in light pink. Love it. Super, super excited. So this was just a really quick haul. I wanted to get on here. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel, and follow my Instagram. I'd like to have you join me over there. I do tons of haul videos. I do unboxings. I do makeup hauls. I do makeup tutorials. I do reviews. I do vlogs. I do a plethora of things on my channel. And in case you guys aren't aware, I did recently start a blog probably just like a week or so ago, so it's very, very new. I will link that down below, but I kind of created it as a one-stop shop. You can go there, you can shop my posts from Instagram, you can see all my YouTube videos there, you can see all the other blog posts. I just did one recently. We went skiing, and I put like 10 essential items for skiing of things you need, and then I linked everything for you. So it's just really fun. I love doing stuff like this. So make sure to subscribe if you like that kind of stuff, and make sure to check the blog out too. So have a good day, you guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video.
I was looking like a fool when I met ya, all covered up in the dirt from my past. So insecure by myself when I met ya.